Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix user action required, files are corrupted, integrity check through Steam is required, restart through Steam is required, the application will be closed. So if you are getting this error in escape from Tarkov game, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to disable or uninstall your antivirus program for a while. So if you're using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, etc., then disable your antivirus program for a while and then try to launch the game and check if your error is fixed or not. If not, then you have to uninstall your antivirus program for a while, particularly the Kaspersky antivirus program. So if you have Kaspersky antivirus program on your PC, then uninstall it and then launch the game and check. Later you can enable or install your antivirus program. Second fix is to delete the save game files and system files of Escape from Tarkov game. So first close the game and also close the BSG launcher and then follow these steps. So to do this, open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, then open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data over here, then click on this view icon and then click on show and then check mark hidden items, then open the app data folder. Now you have to delete the battle state games folder from each of this folder. So first open the local folder, look for battle state game folder. Here is the battle state games folder, right click on it and then select delete. Now go to app data folder again, open local folder, right click on battle state games folder and then select delete. Again go back to app data folder, open roaming folder, right click on battle state games folder and select delete to delete it. Now go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you have to download and install the launcher from the Escape from Tarkov official website. Open your web browser and in the web browser search for Escape from Tarkov and then open the Escape from Tarkov official website. And once you're on this website, you have to log into your account and then click on this profile icon and then click on settings. Now go to the downloadable content and then click on download to download the battle listed games launcher. Now once this BSG launcher exe file get downloaded, you have to run it to install it. So click on it, click yes to allow. Now click OK, click on next, click on next, click on create a desktop shortcut, then click on next, then click on install to install it. Just wait for the install to get complete. Now make sure launch battle listed game launcher is ticked mark, then click on finish. This will launch the battle listed games launcher. Then click on continue. Now you don't have to log into your account, just simply minimize it. Now open Steam, select the Escape from Tarkov game and then click on play button. This will download some content and will launch the game and will fix the error. So by this way you can easily fix this error. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you have to run the BSG launcher as an administrator. So right click on this battle listed games launcher and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and tick mark run this program as an administrator, then hit apply. Okay. Now go ahead and try to launch the game and this will completely fix the error. So that's all for this video. So by this way you can easily fix user action required, files are corrupted, integrity check through Steam is required, restart through Steam is required, the application will be closed error and escape from Tarkov game. So if this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.